Hey, welcome everybody. Mr. On Demand, man with master plan. And my master plan today is to help you go on a journey to where you can actually remote connect in from your phone to your Windows PC or from your Windows PC to your phone for free with this powerful software I'm about to show you. I'm going to show you step by step how to install it on both devices, how to get it set up so that you can remotely connect in to your devices back and forth and be able to take care of all kinds of tasks that you may need to be able to do in today's heavy usage of remote connectivity that we need to have. I know for me, being able to remotely connect into my server, to my NAS, to my phone or my PC is definitely something that's essential for me when I'm out at a client and I need to grab a program or a file or something of that nature. I'm going to help you out in that type of situation today, and we're going to learn how to use RustDesk. RustDesk made easy to remote connect your Android and Windows devices. In this easy to follow tutorial, discover the simplicity of remote desktop control. Access your devices from anywhere, anytime. RustDesk is made easy. It makes remote connection a breeze, eliminating the need for complicated setup and technical experience. Follow along with me and get started with remote connectivity for your devices today. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So first off, you're going to want to go to Google, type in RustDesk, and you're going to go to their website. They got a download button, and you're just going to download the version that you want to download there. We're downloading the Windows version, and we're going to go ahead and get that. After it's downloaded, we're going to just go ahead and open it up, and we're going to go ahead and have RustDesk open. There it is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get it on Android. So we're in Android. We're going to go to the Google Play Store, and you're going to notice if you type in RustDesk there, it doesn't quite show up. So you got to go another route, and this is what I talked about in a previous video, and you'll see a link up above for that. Where you can actually get stuff through other Play stores. We're going to use Downloader, and the code you'll see on the screen there. Use that code to go ahead and get RustDesk and install it on your Android device. So go ahead and get it, install it, and you'll be ready to rock and roll with Rust on your Android device. And then you're going to open it up. It's going to look like that. I'm going to show you remotely connecting in next. This is going to be a really fun thing that you're going to enjoy. So right now we're typing in a code, and that code actually goes with the PC that we're going to remotely connect into. And there's my Windows PC. We're going to click on it, and you would enter the passcode in that you get, and there is my PC. I'm actually remotely connecting into Windows from my Android device right now, which is really cool. And we can do it the other way also. I'm going to show you that also. So now that we're in Windows, you can see I can open up my computer, the computer icon, see the files on my computer, etc., etc. You can actually transfer files from device to device with RustDesk as well. So that's one really cool feature that this particular software has. Next, we're going over to the Android device, and we're setting it up, and you'll notice we need to start the service, and it tells you warning, there's a scam, blah 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 blah. Warning about scammers, because a lot of scammers try to use remote connection software to actually get into your computer and scam you. So that's something to be very aware of. But in this situation, we're trying to help you be able to get more done with work from home, etc., etc. And there's my device. There is the code for the device, and we can go to Windows and actually open it up and put the device number in, and we're connected up directly in. Now there's the little window option there for home and the back button for you for Android. I'm showing you going into opening the web browser and opening apps without a problem from my Windows machine logged into my Android device. So this particular software you can also use on Apple and on a variety of other devices like Linux. So just letting you know that this Windows and Android are not the only two devices that you can use this with. This was just an example to give you a good rundown and how to install the software on both of these types of operating systems. This software is great, open source, completely free, and there are paid versions for people who use it more for business uses and needs. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you liked this video, please leave me a thumbs up down below. Leave a comment and tell me what you liked about it. If you didn't like it, also let me know what you didn't like down below as well. And I'll see you guys on the next video. It was wonderful sharing this information with you. And ta-ta. See you guys later. Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan. Stick with me and get it for free.